Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. So today I thought I'll just record a video of my live trading, my personal trades. So today the market uh, is a gap down and it hit 10% down. So I'll just show you that. All right, so if you see the market was 10% down, if you see it hit the lower circuit and again the market was hold, and therefore they opened the market again. Pre-open market was done here and you see the market recovering and covering the gap. Okay, so this was a nice opportunity, so therefore I tried to take an advantage whichever the stocks fell, which are good stocks and which are going good. I just try to take multiple advantages on those particular stocks. If you see, I have taken S Bank and Exide and all that. So if you see, we are not getting cover order or bracket order for these particular this one, so you should have full money to trade all this. Even though I'm taking MIS, I'm not getting much. I think 1 or 2 times only you're getting in MIS. So therefore this 1400 what you're seeing is from cash and carry. So if I'm getting 10 times margin, this would have been 14,000, or let's say cover order, or let's say 15-20 times, then this would have been some 28,000 profit. But end of the day, I'll just show you. So these are the orders. So I took S Bank around 23.85 and sold it around 24.30. So 25 paisa will be 1% movement of the stock. Okay, so I had more than that. And then again Exide, I have taken a position around 136.21 and sold around 137.35. So almost 1 rupee 10 paisa or 15 paisa we have booked on that. Again I took S Bank trade at 25.30, exactly 1%, 25.60, 30 paisa. That is more than 1% movement on this particular stock. So like this, I'm just scalping with cash and carry money, because there is no margin. So obviously the profits will be less and the losses also will be less if you make any losses. So I was just scalping out. And apart from that, in commodity trading also, there was a good movements happening. So let me just show you this. I'm not able to bend my GoPro. So I took a position in, let me make this smaller. I think now you can see. So you see, I took a position in crude oil today. I got only one quantity, if you see, because the margins are not there. So I didn't even get two. For 50,000, I didn't get even 2 lots. I just got only 1 lot. So I took around 2374 and I sold around 2406. Okay, so when there was a spike out here, I just took an advantage. So let me keep my GoPro on this desk. Okay, it'll be easy for me. So here somewhere I took my position when there was a spike out 74 around this. So when the spike out happened, when the market reopened, during that time I just took this, and when there was one more breakout here, I exited around 06. Okay, so that's how I took quick advantage in crude oil also. This also I was doing a scalping only. So there was a quick movements in this particular stock, so the crude oil. So I definitely took an advantage, and still it's going on. I see market recovering. The market had fallen very badly, and IP also I got allotted 1 share. I had applied 2 lots, right? So 1 lot has been approved, 1 more lot I got my money back. So hoping if that can sustain this situation of the global market. And also good to see market has recovered, and during this time there were a lot of opportunities. The stocks recovered. Okay, so stocks like Intraday, which is going up and up and up, so it's in positive as of now. Okay, so there are different stocks on which you can definitely take advantage, and I'm just going on with scalping and scalping. I feel bad for these investors who have actually invested their money, because during this period is when a lot of people will lose their money and all that. You see most of the stocks are fallen in their 52-week low, and yeah, very bad. And for an intraday trader, basically it's the same thing, just that when the market goes up we buy, and when market goes down we sell it. That's the only difference. But the only thing is we don't get leverage. We don't get 10 times 20 times leverage, which may reduce our profit, but end of the day CNC also you can make, like I showed you, you can make one time profit, not 10 times or 20 times of profit. Same way, if it was loss, it would have been 10 times or 20 times loss also. So but yeah, that is what it affects. But at the end of the day, like I told, intraday trader is not that someone should trade every day. So if there is only opportunity, we have to trade. If not, we should not trade. All right, so just waiting for it to go up. It's taking time. A little bit of recovery is happening in the stock. Big candles. And it is very volatile also. The market is very volatile, and during this period a lot of people can lose the 100% capital when the stock goes, like you saw, 1%, 2% easy movements. So during this time people can lose 100% of their capital or make 100% profit also. So during this time we should be very careful. That's the reason they have blocked this cover order, bracket order and margin and all that, so that whoever wants to trade can trade with CNC. Most of the beginners won't do CNC trade because they have 5,000, 10,000 capital. So they will be like, okay, I hardly get 10, 20 rupees, 30 rupees profit. So why should I do that? Crude oil. Okay, crude oil is correcting. Okay, Nifty is coming a little bit down right now. Small correction, people are booking. So it's coming down. Where's my water bottle? I'll just get my bottle. Okay, so market is coming down actually. So the stock also has the same effect. So I have to wait for some time for the next volatility to go up. I'll try to see if I can short some stock between this gap. So I've taken one more position in crude oil. Okay, so I have taken a position around 2410. If you can see here, 2410, and it is currently moving here. It went up to 2416. So let's see how much I can scalp out. So previous trade we had made around 3,000 rupees profit over there. So let's see how much I can scalp from this. So every 1 point I keep getting 100 rupees. Brokerage will go 100 rupees. That is 1 rupee will go as a brokerage. The rest is for me. Well, here the market, Nifty is had a small correction, now a little bit going up. Hopefully I think market may go sideways right now because it has already gone so much. Or we can't say end of the day it can fall also, because you know from these levels it has gone up. I'm not sure. So you can see a spike happening here in that particular order. So I'm just giving an exit order. So an exit has been done at 22. So at 2410 I did a buy, 2422 I did a sell. Totally you can see my profit here 4,400. I have scalped out from this market. Yes, my capital is 50,000 only, but I'm getting only one lot because I'm not getting margin. But end of the day, it's almost close to 8-9% profit on my portfolio, right? So I should be happy. Even 1 rupee if I'm getting after brokerage, I should be happy. 200 rupees will go as a brokerage in this particular trades. 4,200 will be there in my hand. So that's more than enough for me. All right. So I think the time is 11:07. So it's time for my gym. So I have my personal training class today in the gym. So I have to be there by 12 o'clock. So I'll just go have something, get ready, freshen up, and then go to the gym. So I'll stop my scalping here. I think this is more than enough profits in equity as well as in commodity. So both are balancing well, and happy because even though the market goes up or comes down, we can make some pocket money out of it. And yes, if margin was there, I could have made 10 times, 20 times, but we should not be greedy. End of the day, money is money. Whatever money you're getting, we have to go with it. Someone has given me a missed call. Yes, it's my gym master. Okay, I have to go ASAP. Okay, I think 11 o'clock batch it is, so I have to go ASAP to the gym. So I'll wind up. I'll just tell him I'm coming. Yes, coming. All right. So I'll just end this particular session. So yeah, so just wanted to show a message to a lot of people that if you're an intraday trader and if you have learned, because intraday trading is most dangerous. But if you see, if an investor, it is very much dangerous if the market fall, right? Intraday traders buy today or sell today. Today only loss, from tomorrow no more stories. Okay, but intraday trader, if you have the right knowledge, where to scalp, where to take advantage, and when not to trade and when to trade. Okay, so morning there were situations when market was falling, I didn't take a chance. When market restarted and there was volume, I started trading. So for that you need to have proper understanding. If you're a beginner, it's very dangerous, don't even trade. But I just wanted to show for people who are trading in cash and carry, whatever cash they have, they're trading with that, not with multiple times, 2 times, 3 times or 10 times. Okay, so this is what I could do for you. So anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Please do hit that like and subscribe. If you like such videos, hit that like and comment in this if you like such live trade videos, directly seeing me trading, all that. Or if you like to see mobile screen more, because a lot of people are bored looking at mobile screens. So when I thought I will show my system and doing scalping and all that. So these are my personal trades. When I do more trades, I do personal trades. But if I'm doing on live trade in mobile for the YouTube, when I show everything instructions, that time I do only one trade, because that is a very important discipline for beginners. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Please do hit the subscribe. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.